In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the undo and redo functions on your computer. Invaluable skills for anyone who works with digital documents or creative software. Undo and redo are fundamental tools that help streamline your workflow, allowing you to experiment without fear of making irreversible changes. We'll explore how to use these features, both by clicking the icons on your screen and by using keyboard shortcuts on different operating systems. Let's start with how to undo an action. You know that feeling when you've just made a change and immediately wish you hadn't? That's where the undo function comes in handy. If you look at the top left corner of most applications, you should see a back arrow icon. Simply clicking that arrow allows you to reverse the last action you took. This could be anything from deleting a word in a document to moving a graphic element in your design software. It's a quick fix for those small mistakes we all make. But what if you undo something and then realize you actually want it back? This is where the redo function becomes your best friend. Adjacent to the undo icon, you'll typically find a forward arrow icon. Clicking on this will reapply the change you just undid. Imagine it as a way to step forward in your action history, allowing for swift corrections and the flexibility to change your mind. Now, while the icons make it simple to perform these tasks with a mouse, there are even faster methods using keyboard shortcuts, saving you time and enhancing productivity further. If you're using a Mac, you can undo actions by pressing Command and the Z key. It's a classic combination that becomes second nature once you start using it regularly. On a Windows machine, the same result can be achieved by pressing Control and Z. These shortcuts let you avoid unnecessary clicks, allowing you to keep your focus on the task at hand. Remember, these commands aren't limited to one undo. You can repeatedly press them to undo multiple actions, stepping back through your most recent changes until you reach an earlier desired state. It's a fantastic way to manage complex edits and intricate projects without constant worry about errors. Mastering both the icons and keyboard shortcuts for undoing and redoing actions truly enhances your ability to work efficiently across various software. These simple yet powerful commands keep your digital workflow smooth and flexible, ensuring that experimentation and creativity are encouraged without the fear of permanent mistakes. Practice them, and soon enough, they will be second nature. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and happy undoing.